Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the Hot Wheels Lucidair, now returned in this black color, which is nice. Factory fresh, number 1 out of 5, and number 97 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. We've seen Lucidair in silver, we've seen Lucidair in gold, sort of like that goldish color. Now we've seen it in black. Now I did mention they should have done a black color. Oh yeah, they also did it in white, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said previously, they should have done a Lucidair in like metallic black color. It would be very, very cool, very nice. They did it again. I mean, well, I said it and basically they made it. I don't know how, but still, Mattel, as always, they managed to basically apply every single color and try it on every single time. And what I feel as if they might do after this with the Lucidair, maybe a dark blue color. It would be suitable as a Lucidair Sapphire. It would be looking very, very nice. But yeah, here we have the Lucidair in metallic black, and as you can tell, it looks very, very nice, gorgeous. I would say it's quite better than the golden, like metal flake gold. I mean, it looks alright, just that I think the black one looks better, to be honest. I mean, it looks 10 times cleaner. It reminds me of a sleeper car, an electric sleeper car basically, but still it looks great. I mean, not gonna lie, it's very like simplistic, clean, and for an electric car like this, a luxury vehicle, it looks very, very nice. I mean, can I say it's even better than Tesla? I would say yes. So let's take a look at the car itself. Now let's start up with this side. Okay, let's start from the side. As you can tell, we have these rims that I don't really like. They are the fantasy, like, I don't know, electric hybrid style of wheels, which not many people like. They're mainly used for like solar cars that Mattel make, like fantasy electric cars, I don't know, solar powered cars and hybrid, I don't know. I just don't really like it too much. Like, it looks so weird. Tesla, I mean, like Hot Wheels used to apply the tires to Teslas, and now they apply it to Lucidairs, so I don't really like it. Overall, the side just looks extra clean, phenomenal, very nice. I do really like that. Now nothing much on the side, as you can tell. You have of course, the side of the car is basically metal. You have this tip of the bottom part, like a tiny trim, plastic trim, which is connected to the base. We'll check out the base later on. And yeah, that's it for the side. Nothing much to say. Oh yeah, you do have side mirrors as well, just if you're wondering. Move on to the front. Yeah, the front looks extra nice. I mean, you do have the detail of the headlights. Let's focus it slightly there. And you have the headlight details, very, very small headlights. I don't know if you can see it or not, but they are there. So you have this, like, I don't know, panel, I guess. At the front, you have like a silver trim, which is cool. Headlights, as always, like I said just now. Overall, the front looks very simplistic and futuristic. Of course, you know, Lucid. You have the front bumper as well, very neato, very nice. What is that? Oh no. You have the hood of the car, which is clean, very nice. Overall, pretty sick, and it's fantastic. You have the massive windshield panel on the front, basically for the roof and the windshield. And yeah, you have like this tan interior inside, which is cool. I believe a plastic tan interior in there. Of course, you have a regular tint windshield, like I said just now. You have like slight metal part on the roof, which is basically apart from the roof, of course, other than the windshield, which is that's the only thing on the roof basically. And moving on to the other side, yeah, pretty standard like I said just now, very clean, very nice and simplistic like the other side. Move on to the back, and here we have more details where it says Lucid at the back right there. You have the Lucid text at the back right there, as you can tell, and also you have a strip of the rear light right there moving from left to right, which is nice. No license plate details or anything. You have the rear bumper, which of course this is an electric car, so it doesn't really have a what do you call that, exhaust pipe or exhaust tip. Of course it doesn't because it's an electric car, so yeah, understandable. Overall, that's all for the back side of the car. Other than that, pretty simple. Everything's just the same and very simple and all. Overall, pretty nice. Let's move on to the base of the car. We have Lucid, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, plastic gray base. As you can tell, Lucidair 2021 Mattel and made in Malaysia. That's the base. If you want to see it, there it is. That's all. Back here. Yeah, overall, I really do like the Lucidair now in black. It looks very clean. I just love the vibe that it has. It doesn't really specifically use the like metal flake style of a paint. I'm glad that they've chosen the regular like metallic black paint, because like the previous version, which is the gold, and also the first one, the silver, they both used like the metal flake type of paint job, which yeah, it's fine, it's good, but I wanted to see the black one, and then they did now release the black one, of course, and it's pretty great. I mean, they didn't really use the metal flake style of a paint job. I do like it. It's pretty nice. I mean, not too much of a complaint from me, because yeah, it just looks extra nice, and I do really recommend it. If you see this in stores, definitely get it if you're a electric fan, or maybe electric car fan, and also a Lucid car fan, Lucidair car fan, or maybe you're just a fan of clean black cars, then go ahead and grab it. Or if you want to get some other colors of the Lucidair, then go ahead, pick whatever you like. There's metal flake silver, metal flake gold, white color, and also the latest black one. I'm excited to see more colors and more outcomes of the Lucidair in the future, and overall I do really like it. It just looks absolutely nice. Love the metallic black color. That's all for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.